In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add radio buttons to a Microsoft Word document using the Developer tab. This is a fantastic feature that can enhance your forms by making them more interactive and easier to use. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word file where you'd like to add your radio buttons. Go ahead and launch Word, locate the document on your computer, and double-click to open it. Once your document is open and ready, you should check if the Developer tab is visible in your ribbon menu at the top of the screen. If it's not there, you can quickly add it by going to File, selecting Options, then Customize Ribbon, and finally checking the Developer box. Now that you have the Developer tab ready, click on it. You'll find a range of tools here designed specifically for adding advanced features to your document. Look for the section called Controls, and you'll see an icon labeled Legacy Tools. Click on this to reveal a list of options, including different kinds of form controls. Once the Legacy Tools menu is opened, select the Option button, which is essentially a radio button. It's a small circle that users can click to select an option from a list. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating that you're ready to draw the first radio button onto your document. Click wherever you want the first button to appear, and it will pop up right there. But we're not done yet. You'll want to customize this button so users know what they're selecting. You can do this by right-clicking on the button and choosing Object. This will open up a menu that lets you adjust various properties of the button. Here, select Edit to change the name and label of your button to something that makes sense for your document's purposes. This is important because it will appear next to the button, providing users with context for what they are choosing. If you need more than one option button, simply repeat the previous steps to create additional buttons. Once you've added all the necessary buttons, make sure to exit the design mode. You'll find a button in the Developer tab that allows you to turn off design mode. This step is essential as it makes your radio buttons interactive and clickable, just like they will be for anyone using your document. And that's it. You've successfully added radio buttons to your Microsoft Word document. It's a simple yet effective way to add functionality. Whether you're creating a survey, form, or any kind of interactive document, these steps will help make your job much easier.